YouTube family, it's Santa the Vlogger and I am back to do another really fun review. I was contacted by this company called Candlelight Gems and they asked me to do a review on some of their really awesome products. We're gonna go through everything that they sent me and let you guys know what I think about them. I'm not gonna make this a long video. I'm gonna try to go through this really quickly because I know no one wants to sit here and watch a long review video. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the first thing. So the first thing is this Jasmine candle. This is called Midnight Jasmine to be exact. It is an essential oil blend soy wax candle. I've been burning this for 2 days and that's so far hours wise for about 24 hours. There's a lot of times that I don't like jasmine scented candles, but this one actually has a really nice clean scent. It almost reminds me of like a beachy scent. It smells very like summery and it just smells really good. It just smells clean. I had this lit up in my dining room actually. You can smell it around the entire house, all the way to our bedrooms, even in my bathroom. When I got out of the shower, I actually could smell the candle, and the candle's like on the cross to the other side of the house. I could already see the little surprise that's in there. Oops, I accidentally burnt out the candle. There's a little surprise in here. I can't get to it yet because the candle is still too hard and towards the bottom. So I have to burn this a little bit longer. All right guys, so it's been about 4 days that I had the candle burning and I finally was able to get the little gem out of the candle. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, tear it open and see what is inside. Ooh, some more earrings, another code for me to enter into the website. Oh, these are so cute. These are little green studs in the shape of like, is it a heart? I think it's a little heart. There it goes, I can see a little bit better. They're like little green hearts. Those are so cute. So inside your little prize container, there is a little, I'm not gonna show you the number because it's like, it's my number. So you get this little paper and you go to their website, which is candlelightgems.com, and you'll enter in your code, which is right here, and it'll say right there, you enter in that code. So I actually have their website open right now. Discover if you want an additional ring that could be worth $100, $1,000, or even $10,000. So cool. Next thing that they sent me was this Revive scented bath salts. And we're gonna go ahead and open it and smell it. Oh, the scent is, I would say like a eucalyptus with a little bit of peppermint. And it's just really strong, but it smells good. It's not like my favorite scent. I would use this scent more like if I wasn't feeling good, which is probably why it's called Revive. Like when you don't feel good, you want to revive back to your normal self. I already see that there's a little surprise in it. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this ring. So it looks like almost like a blue sapphire, which is actually my birthstone, and it is gorgeous. I love this ring, it's so pretty. And the awesome thing is that they do have sizes. So if you do want to order one of these, they do allow you to select your ring size. So you're not gonna get stuck with a ring that's too big or too small for you. Look how pretty that is. Don't look at my nails, because my nails are ugly. All right, so we're gonna go into the next item, which is this body scrub, and it's called Pick Me Up. Oh, now I know why it's called Pick Me Up. That's coffee. That smells like a mocha. You can see like the bits and pieces of coffee grounds in it. I read online that it has caffeine, well, obviously caffeine from the coffee. And the caffeine from the coffee actually helps to reduce cellulite and circulation in the skin. So when you're like massaging into your legs or on your stomach or wherever you want to just exfoliate, it's actually really good for cellulite. So I am gonna make sure that I use this entire thing to see if it'll get rid of my cellulite. So anyways, this is what it looks like, and it has the little prize inside. And I'm gonna go ahead and fish it out and kind of try. It's kind of a mess. I'm gonna wipe it down so that it doesn't get all over the place. It is this cute little yellow ring. It has like this little yellow stone. That is so pretty. I love the yellow stone. That is really nice. And you know, it looks a little bit small. I don't think that this is actually my size. Yeah, it's definitely not my ring size. It says that it's my ring size on here on the little tag, but it's definitely too small to fit my finger. Maybe my pinky? Fits my pinky. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys with me to the bathroom. We're gonna test out this body scrub. Okay guys, so now that we're back from using the body scrub on our hands, on my hands, they feel like baby soft. I love it. I don't smell the coffee smell at all on myself. I'm not gonna go walking around smelling like coffee all day long. Alright, so the next thing is their moisturizing fizz bar. Enchanted, that's the scent. And it actually is 2 different colors. The top is pink and the bottom is blue. And then there's also some little gold specks on the bottom, like little sprinkles. But it's really a big bath bomb. You can see how large that is. It's pretty heavy. The scent is really nice. It actually kind of reminds me of Cool Waters. Is that the guy's cologne that back in the 90s? It just smells very clean. It has a really good scent to it. It definitely leaves your skin very soft. There was like a thin film of like an essential oil that was floating on the top of the water. The scent, which is called Enchanted, I just went online actually just to double check. It says that it's a unisex scent, which makes a lot of sense because I wasn't that crazy about it. Whenever I smelled it, it smelled really good, but then when I tried it out in the bath, it kind of had like a bit of a woodsy kind of smell. I think it's more for a guy. It has that musky, woodsy, oceany kind of smell. What was inside was definitely not for a man. It was for me. Gosh, I love these. These are prettier than the other one. So there are these really pretty, like almost lavender colored earrings. My favorite ones so far. The next thing they sent me was this handcrafted soap. It is in Forbidden Rose and it has all of these cute different colors inside. And you can see that there is a little gem right there, which is awesome because it's really close to the end, which means that it's gonna be it's gonna come out really quickly, so you don't have to wait until you use the entire bar of soap to get your prize out. Outside of the packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and take this into the bathroom and try out the soap and then try to see if we can get this jewelry out of it. Open it, take my little code paper out. Oh, these are so cute. Look, they go with my ring. They're these cute little dark blue studs. Hold on. I gotta get something so I can show you guys this better, because aren't those cute? And I like that they have like this little triangle up on the top. Okay guys, so that is the end of my review video. I hope you found it to be helpful. I want to thank Candlelight Gems for sending me all of these wonderful products. They smell amazing. I loved every single one of them, especially the little surprises that were inside. I'm going to be keeping this ring on forever because I love it. It's so cute. So yeah, thank you so much for sending me all of those wonderful products. I am going to put all their information down below in a description box, to their website, Facebook page, all of that stuff. So if you have any questions or anything, you can just leave me a comment down below. You can also visit their website. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!